Okay, kiddos, this tutorial is going to walk you through the TestNav, which this is what your test will look like on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We're doing the computer-based testing. So I wanted to take you through the different tools and the way your screen's going to look and all of the different things that you can use while you're testing. So I'm going to go ahead and click the Start button, and it's going to tell us about signing into your test. So it's going to be pretty easy tomorrow. They're going to give you your proctor is going to give you a sheet. It will have your username and your password, which you sign in here. We will not sign in through a browser. So you will go to your app waffle just like you would with CMAS, or with map testing, and we'll select TestNav. Okay, so here are the parts of your screen. Just like I used, you've got previous and next, so it'll take you back to a question you just viewed. And if you click next, it'll go to a new question. If you click review, okay, James was knocking on the door. So if you want to review your answers when you are looking at your test, you can click review and see all of the previous answers. If you are testing and you feel like, I'm done with this question right now, I can't deal with it, I want to come back to it later, you can bookmark a question. This will tell you the test and the section and what number of question you're on. So all of that is at the top of your screen. Okay, when you click review for reviewing your answer, you can see that it's going to show you each question and the questions that you've bookmarked. It will also show you the questions that you haven't answered, so the ones that you chose to skip to come back to. The bookmark buttons let you mark questions to review later. Even if you've answered them, you want to come back to them so you can see your bookmarks with the blue ribbon. When you are at the end of a section, it will show you this. The buttons on this screen show how many questions are not answered and how many questions are bookmarked. So it will actually prompt you through that before you submit it. It's like, no, dude, you haven't answered 2 of these. When you go to a new section for grades 6 through 8 math, each, like your unit 1 has 2 sections, you've got to complete both sections. You select the submit section, and then it'll send you to your next one, obviously. When you reach the end of a unit, it's going to say, congratulations, you've finished. So you notice you still have a submit button here, but it's your final answers because it's the end of the entire unit, not just a section in that unit. And that's what it will look like. Congratulations, you've finished. All right, so that's just the basics of navigating the top part of your screen in TestNav. Move to the next tutorial.